So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Hasta Education. So in this video I am going to discuss about the parametric form of an equation. Alright, so let's get started. So let's say I have a straight line like this. Alright, so let's say I have a straight line like this, and here it is a fixed point. Okay, let's say its coordinate is given by x naught comma y naught. Okay, so let's say I have a straight line and I have a fixed point whose coordinate is given by x naught comma y naught. Okay, and let's say I want to find out the position of a point, okay, which is at a distance r from this fixed point. Okay, so how to do that? Okay, so let's say I want to find out the coordinate of this particular point, okay, which is at a distance r. Okay, which is at a distance, okay, which is at a distance r from this fixed point. Okay, so how to find out the coordinate of this particular point? Okay, this is our question. Okay, so the coordinate of any point in this line is given by, in general, okay, that is given by x equals to x naught plus or minus r cos theta, and y coordinate is given by y naught plus or minus r sin theta. Okay, so this is the parametric coordinate of any point in this particular line. Okay, but the question is how to apply this formula, okay, correctly. Okay, so let's see that one. Okay, here r is taken to be always positive. Okay, here we are considering r to be always positive. Okay, that is distance. Okay, so what you have to do, so here it is the steps. Okay, so first of all find out the slope of the line. Okay, first find the slope. Okay, first find the slope of this line. Okay, so let it be m. Okay, first of all you have to find out the slope of this line. Let's say the slope is m. Okay, so next you have to equate this slope with tan theta. Okay, you have to equate this slope with tan theta, so tan theta equals to m. Okay, so here theta is the inclination. Okay, theta is the inclination. Okay, here theta is equals to the inclination, and whose value varies from 0 to 5. Okay, the open interval here. Okay, so first of all you have to find out the slope of this line, then you have to equate this slope with tan theta. Okay, where theta is the inclination and it varies from 0 to pi. Okay, including 0 but excluding pi. All right, next what you have to do, you have to find out the value of sin theta and cos theta. Okay, find sin theta and cos theta. Okay, the value of sin theta and cos theta. Okay, so since theta belongs to 0 to pi, that is in first quadrant only, okay, first and second quadrant only. Here sin theta is always positive, okay. Here sin theta is always positive, but cos theta can be positive or negative, okay. Since theta belongs to first and second quadrant, sin theta is always positive, cos theta is positive when tan theta is positive, okay. That means when m is positive, and cos theta will be negative when m is negative, okay. But you have to take the sin theta always positive, all right. So the next you have to check whether this point lies right to this point or it is on left or to this point, okay. Then you have to check, okay. Check whether required point is on the right side, okay, or left side, okay, left side of the given point, okay. You have to check this one, okay. If this is at right, okay, right to this given point, then you have to consider the plus sign, okay. You have to consider this plus sign, okay. Then in that case your formula will be x equal to x naught plus r cos theta and y will be your x naught minus r sin theta, okay. If this point is, okay, left to this point, okay, let's say here I am considering the coordinate of x comma y, so you can see that this point is left to this point, okay, this given point. So here you have to write the formula as x equals to x naught minus r cos theta and y you have to write y naught minus r sin theta, okay. And you have to take r always positive and sin theta is also always positive. Cos theta will be positive when m is positive, cos theta will be negative when m is negative, okay. In this way you can find out the position of any point in this particular line, okay. So let's see an example, okay. So let's say I have a straight line like this, okay, and I have a fixed point which coordinate is given by 4 comma 3, okay. And let's say I want to find out the value of a point, okay. Let's say I want to find out the coordinate of a point which is at this particular position, okay, which is, let's say, at a distance of 5 meter, okay, which is at a distance of 5 from this particular point, okay. I want to find out the coordinate of this particular point, okay. So let's say this slope is minus 2 by 3, okay. Let's say I have the slope to be minus 2 by 3, okay. Or for simplicity, let's say the slope is minus 1, okay. Let's say your slope is minus 1, right. So how to proceed? First of all, you have to equate the slope with tan theta, okay. So tan theta will be minus 1, okay. Since theta is the inclination, that means it varies from 0 to pi, okay. Again, since tan theta is negative, okay, so tan theta is negative, it indicates that theta belongs to second quadrant, okay. In the second quadrant, sin theta is positive, but cos theta is negative. Okay, so since tan theta is -1, so sin theta will be how much? It will be 1 upon root 2, and cos theta will be how much? It will be -1 upon root 2. Okay, we are taking cos theta to be negative because theta belongs to the second quadrant. Okay, since tan theta is negative, so theta belongs to second quadrant. Okay, is theta can vary only between first quadrant and second quadrant. Okay, so now we have already calculated the value of sin theta and cos theta. Okay, now you have to check whether this point is left to this given point or right to this given point. As you can see that this point is left to this particular point. Okay, so its x coordinate will be x naught minus r cos theta, and y coordinate will be y naught minus r sin theta. Okay, by putting the value of r is how much? It's 5, and you can put the value of sin theta and cos theta, and then you can find out the coordinate of this particular point. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.